Alright, I'm live. Hello! Hi. I'm sorry, I'm gonna restart
Okay,
this.
anyway, so what are we...
So I wanted to show
see
off
what
something
we
to
wanna
people
get done today.
real quick, which
Yes.
was the optimization pass. So let me set this up really quickly. 2 seconds. So you've run the game, I'm assuming, right?
Yes.
Is it weird for you right now? Like, is it like stretched weird?
Yes,
Okay,
if it's
that's
full
okay.
screen, yeah, it stretches weird.
That's okay. I'll be fixing that today. So, oh, oops, we're zoomed in and I'm on the wrong level, but that's okay. So there's a thing that was changed in Dante's 9. I'm looking for biddy camera somewhere in this tree so I can zoom the fuck out. So if I have my FPS uncapped, so unlimited, my FPS likes to sit around 200. So you can see right here, we're sitting at around 200. And I'm going to turn on optimization really quickly. I'm gonna press the magic optimize the game button. Boop. So I've now turned on optimized. Game doesn't look any different, right? It looks about the same.
I mean...
And then if I take a look at the FPS, I'm getting about 340. Whenever I moved the window, it went down to 300, but about 350-ish FPS. So from about 200 to about 350. And the way that we do that is because we are now rendering the game at a lower resolution because someone liked to scale everything by 4, so we were rendering the game at really high quality, but now I can change this so it will render at lower and lower resolution. Obviously, we're not going to go this low, but this is really cool because I can have my UI be full 100% scaling, and then the actual game world can be a different scaling.
Minus the
Yep.
health bar and stuff like that.
Well, that will be
Which
included,
you'll also
though.
fix today.
Yes, that's... Yep. Getting there. So, a couple of things that I'm going to be doing is, I want to... Before the playtest goes through, I want to fix a couple of options. Also, hello, Respec. I want to make it so that whenever you're in windowed mode, it saves the position of the window and the size. So there are some people who really like to move their window around to specific parts, and whenever they're in windowed mode and they close and reopen the game, it goes into full screen mode or into full window mode. I'm looking at you, JW.
Yeah.
So I want to do that, and I also want to make it so that the window actually accurately reflects the game. So if I were to go in here really quickly, I'll show you the issue that JW was seeing on his side. So if I take the game and I stretch this down, you'll see that the game is now squat, very squat. And we don't want that. Ideally, this would keep in mind like what the actual size, excuse me again, what the actual size of the game will be. So those are the two main things on my docket. I think I had something else.
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
One small thing that I don't know is in the list of, if it's in the list of things to do that's in the settings menu, is some of the newer buttons that we've added did not get added to the controller mapping list or whatever, so you couldn't click on them on controller.
Yeah, we should do a controller pass of just everything before we release the update. Okay. So yeah, that's the
I will be working on the tutorial and just some smaller miscellaneous things.
If you
like
want
and stuff.
Do you know what size the window becomes whenever you move it over?
When I move it over where?
Like whenever you put the window in the fun spot that you have on your screen.
I have no clue. It's like big. Actually, you know what? I can check. Hold up, actually.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. There's an easy way to do it.
Nope.
There's literally an easy way to do it. Okay. Yeah, okay, man. Yeah. Check it. Go on. Check it. Come on, dude. I'm waiting. I'm waiting.
Why?
I don't know. That's a good question. How do you? You're gonna like break it if you do anything, so don't even worry about it.
Yeah, why is it not?
Just don't worry about it. Just don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Close that. Close it. Close it. Close it. Spit it out. Close it.
Where do I edit it from?
The pencil icon on the fucking thing? Are you insane?
That's what I was clicking on. And it wasn't
on the one on the screen, like in the rectangle. So click that. in the pencil icon that's on your screen right now.
Oh, this one here, yeah.
Oh my
there we
lord.
Go. It is 2052 by 1108.
Okay, if you want the game to not stretch weirdly, if you want to go into your... you can close that now. 2052, 1108. If you go to the level, and then subviewport, yeah, you got it.
Yeah.
Okay, so I want to fix that automatically because that shouldn't be a thing that people have to do because that was not something they can do.
They just have like a value that they fill
Yeah,
in.
yeah, they just like they have a slider and it's like adjust it yourself, fix it yourself, bitch.
It's just X and Y sliders.
Yeah. So how do we want to do that? Because I have a couple of things. So for example, let's say that someone had a monitor that was like 1280 by 720 at a maximum. If I just set the size to that, whenever I run the game, the camera will be very zoomed out, I think, or zoomed in, one of the two. It's very zoomed in, which is a problem because we don't want that. However, I can offset that by setting this to 2/3, I think. Yeah, which zooms it back out to the correct size. The problem is the UI. The UI doesn't matter. I can move it, though. So let's take care of... Actually, let me take care of the UI first, and then we'll take care of the viewport scaling. So if I go... Also, this optimization for anyone...
It seems like this doesn't make as big of a difference when it's larger for some reason.
What?
Like, obviously I'm moving it around, so set this to 1.
Mm-hmm.
It's like...
Is your frame rate capped by chance?
Shouldn't be.
Okay.
No, it's not. It could also be because I'm streaming, but then if I do 2, I mean, it goes up a little bit. It's like 140-ish.
That's still pretty good. Set it to like 4 or 5.
Yeah.
See what that does. I'm sure it will. Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah,
it's probably because you're streaming, yeah, but it should make a notable difference.
Yeah, it should, which is weird.
But for my laptop, for anyone who's curious, my shitty little laptop runs the game normally at like 30 FPS. And with the world's smallest amount of the optimization on it, it shoots up to 90 FPS, which is really cool.
Yeah, so that's very good.
It also may be that you're not GPU limited, but you probably are. It's probably... What's probably happening is... OBS and the game are taking up as much of your GPU as possible, but OBS has like a minimum amount that it like can't go below.
Yeah,
so whenever you turn on the optimization pass, the game now uses as much more of the GPU as it can, which ends up being not much.
Yeah.
Or if there's any, if it uses
like
less,
it's stuttering, and I think that's just because I'm streaming. It likes to do that.
Probably. Also, hello, Cybrin.
Like it looks like it's stuttering, but the FPS is like over 100 this entire time.
Time to... Wait, what is this document I have
fine.
open? Is this important? No. Okay. This is all. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna...
Actually, let me double check that it runs okay if I limit the FPS.
I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna move everything out of the player's UI and move it into something else. Okay. I don't 100% know what all I want to do with that. This connects to owner. I know what I could do, actually. Actually, this tutorial UI can be killed because we're not using that anymore. The hand does matter. However, this can be anywhere, right? I don't even think this needs to be on the player.
Yeah, I don't
this
think
does, kind of. It needs to know about the player. This actually is an exported variable, which I hate. As per the always, or because of the way that this is.
Yeah.
I'll actually change that now.
Oh, and for the tutorial level, should I just copy the canvas layer?
I
think it uses the same script. Yeah.
Did you put your tutorial stuff up or no?
No.
Okay.
I have not yet.
Let me think for a moment.
I mean, I can. Yeah, because I don't know how you want to do that.
I know how I want to do that. I just don't know what I want you to do right now. Because I'm
Okay.
able to fix it without you doing anything. But I don't have access to your changes right now, so I can't.
Then I'm just not gonna.
Yeah, just don't.
Worry about
If
it
you can
right
just
now,
go
'cause
ahead without
this should
touching it,
still
then
run
just don't
fine.
touch it.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, because I'm gonna add the
Won't have that.
I'm gonna add the layer, like, not manually the way I did to the level. I'm just gonna have the layer be populated by the level.
Actually, this doesn't work, so I am just going to copy it over right now.
Oh, wait, what? Oh, it's because the variable. No,
Needs,
it's because that you can assign it to itself.
Okay. Fine.
Yeah, I thought I'd assign that by default, but I guess not. What I'm working on today, we did a little optimization thing. I did a little optimization thing. That.
Oh, also, there's no world environment.
Okay.
So it looks ugly.
I'll just fucking copy it over, whatever. I did a little optimization yesterday that ended up boosting the FPS a lot on my laptop and also lower in systems. So I'm just going through and cleaning up some of the artifacts that came about as a result of that. So do any of these need to be part of the player? Hand doesn't at all. Health bar doesn't now. Because I don't think this actually uses... Yeah, this only cares about owner in one place, right? It's just here. Enemy indicators doesn't need anything. Okay, I think that's fine. Like, what I could do... The two places I could do this is I could either grab this node and just reparent it to the UI manager, or I could just move it, like, now. Like, I could either have it reparent at runtime or reparent it now. Also need to turn on shared chat. I think I forgot to. Oopsies. Let's try reparenting it now and see what happens. So, UI manager. You aren't a scene, are you? You aren't. That's a little unfortunate.
That's fine. Yeah, whatever, it still runs longer.
Okay, I'm gonna make a new scene called player UI that is going to be completely separate from the player. And this is where all of our nodes are going to go, and that is now scene root. This is that. Ah, that's going to be annoying though, isn't it? Let me think for a moment. So I could do... Yeah, I guess I could do that. I could toss this like so. So we go U, and then inside of UI manager, we have set player UI. This feels a little bit gross, but...
Hello, average good to enjoy.
UI nodes, UI, or... That's fine. I guess it can just be a node, right? Or call this UI parent. And then I can have this reparent to the UI manager. And then I can have this, which just says player UI control. If player UI player UI.q3. Then do player
Oop.
Player UI is equal to UI parent. I think. Except this won't be a control. I just realized this will be just a node for now. Let's see, and then I can give this a script. Let's try this. So on ready, I will say health is equal to utility components, owner, health component, health component. And then we'll say health dot died that connects on player death. And I don't believe this signal actually passes anything out. I think this is just, yeah, cool. So we can say queue free. And then we can do if not owner dot is node ready. I can say await owner dot ready. And then down here, I can say UI manager dot set player UI itself. So what I think that will do, hopefully, I guess we'll find out, is on here, I can kill this. And I can drop in the player UI scene. And then whenever I run the game, I'm gonna find out if this crashes, but it should just like reparent to one of the, not root node, but one of the nodes that exists outside of the player. Hopefully. Okay, we crashed. That's fine. Why? Actually. Oh, because this cares about owner. Yeah. Fuck. That's fine. I don't need this to be owner. It's the player UI. Who cares? Player dot player.
Why Dante does kind of go hard though.
Why Dante? Why Dante?
Why Dante?
Why Dante? Why? Yeah. Okay, hopefully this works. Nope. Alright, cool, that's fine. Because of you. Oh yeah, duh, I'm stupid. I completely forgot that I didn't want this to be owner based. I'm okay with this being player based. And same thing with you. Can also be player based. Player based. What? Does the player not exist? What? If the player doesn't exist, then where the fuck are you? Oh. I know what's going on here, actually. Shit. Okay, well, scratch that idea for now. I will fix that later. You are no longer a scene. You will just be here. And instead of doing player.ready, you will be using owner. Sorry. Nothing I can do about it. Well, there's things I can do about it. I'm not going to. Not right now. Yeah, so the problem there is the player registers themselves as owner in their ready function. Or they register themselves as player, the static variable, but these guys have their ready functions all run before the player's ready. So I can't do that. Otherwise they get very upset. Okay, cool. So we didn't crash. Does this work? So if I were to go into the level and turn on the stretch factor up to 4. Yeah, the UI looks fine. I set this to 16. UI looks fine. And it like still responds to the player because nothing is hooked up that way. If the player takes damage via player options and I lower the health, that updates correctly. If I spawn in an enemy, they might actually be full resolution. They're not. They're still not even full resolution. That's so fucking funny. Even whenever I'm spawning an enemy, they show up as like these little fucking pixelated dickheads. Look at them. And then the player takes damage. Okay, cool. So that works. I think I know what's going on with the sub viewport thing, by the way. There's this audio thing down here that I can turn on.
Okay. Is that it? Is that the only thing you need to do to test it?
I don't know.
I can test it on my end and see if that,
try it. Find out. I don't know though. I don't know what the audio normally sounds like volume wise.
Yeah, that's why I can test it. Just because then I can tell. The main thing is it just didn't make any sound at all if it was like wide like this.
Oh, yeah, I think I know.
Broken.
I think I know what it is. So the
it's still messed up.
Yeah. So the player is the camera and the player are like audio listener, right? Like where the camera is. But because we're playing it through the audio manager, the sounds are being placed outside of the sub viewport and played outside of the sub viewport. So actually, I think can you pull out the laser pointer and try that? Because I think that one would actually be maybe correct, or at least somewhat not terrible. You can use that for an effect, like a debuff by a boss or something. Oh god, the boss debuff that puts you in forced retro mode. Surprise, bitch.
Laser pointer. I can't hear it still.
You can't hear it at all?
Nope, not at all.
Okay.
Let me try the soul dispenser. Yeah, no, I don't hear the looping sound.
Some SNES games do it. Yeah, they do. Like, I know SMW, one of the level exits, does this thing where it like mosaics away and then comes back. And that's fun. Like, I think one of the secret exits does that. Ooh. Where did you crash?
Yeah, it's almost over there.
Yeah. I can probably somewhat
But yeah, I think
figure
that is
out.
probably what that is.
Definitely something.
Okay, cool.
Okay. So what is... I wonder what would be a good solution for that. We don't have like a sound listener on the player, do we?
No, I don't think so.
Audio, no. Audio, no. Okay, that's fine. We apparently have an audio stream player on the player. Cameras by default are an audio stream listener. I know that. I believe that at least. I don't know if I know that. Fairly certain they are though. Let's find out.
Yeah, they know where.
Audio. Okay, well, there's nothing about that in here, so like maybe not. However, However, the audio manager, because these exist in a different space. They're not in the same viewport anymore. Couple of ways that I can do this, which is maybe a little gross, but is probably fine. We really don't have any audio stream listeners at all. Is that what it's called?
Yeah, that's what it's called.
Listener. Yeah,
Sure.
audio listener. Oops, yeah, makes more sense. Audio listener. Oh yeah, we don't have any.
Nope, I didn't want to open Audacity.
Why are you opening Audacity?
I didn't want to. Ow, that was a flashbang.
So but I can.
Biddy, look at the little guy. He got animations now.
Whoa, got little animations. He's squishy as fuck.
Yeah.
Audio manager. So I need this guy to have our audio listener, like so, and then.
Why is his hitbox so big?
Does that work, I wonder? Guess we'll find out.
Is that the viewports?
You only have one audio listener enabled at a time. Audio. I guess what is this? Viewport will process 2D audio streams. Okay. Oh shit! I just spilled my drink on me a little bit. Cool.
Nice.
They gave me a lid, but not a bib, because apparently I fucking need that. What is wrong with this? Why are we upset? Wasn't able to play room boss. Yeah, dude. I get it. You were able to place anything else? What the fuck? You placed a shop? Holy shit, you did. Oh shit, you're upset. Why? Oh, I see. The rain does not work in the shop because there is no navigation region.
Just add a navigation region.
What?
Then just add a navigation region.
Fuck you.
Hey, I didn't make the shop.
You did. Didn't you?
Yeah, I probably did.
Yeah, I think you did.
That's the joke.
Okay, I am noticing a new sound that is working this time, which is the menu sound. Didn't hear that before.
The menu sound.
I didn't even notice it because whenever you open up the menu, the button makes like a sound. But it stopped doing that after the sub viewport shit was
Look at
added.
these squishy little guys.
Whoa, dude, these squishy as fuck. I can hear the
I might add some like random variation to. Yes, because any sound that is not spatial, you can hear. The op sound is definitely not spatial.
Can you hear the op sound currently? Use the op sound right now. Like, do you have the audio turned on, like the 2D thing that I had you enable on the sub viewport? Yep. Go to the sub viewport.
No,
go to the sub viewport. You turned it off.
Yes.
You promise?
Then
can you check?
Can hear it perfectly fine. Yes.
Can you check, please?
I promise.
Like I trust you, but like I don't. You know. Okay. So what's a non? Is that a non?
Yes, the
Spatial.
bees are spatial because they're the audio loop players.
Okay, I see.
A good test is the soul dispenser.
Hmm.
So like here I can hear it, but it's very, very quiet.
I see.
Same with the chest.
I don't know how loud it's supposed to be is the problem. I guess I could just load into this room by default and see if it's the same volume.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I've been doing. If you load into the main room, you can tell the difference with like the chest. If you open the chest with and without it on. Okay, so what do we need in terms of colors? A spray bottle works. I don't think
That
there's anything we need to
might
change
be
with
the
that.
same volume. I actually can't tell. I need to get a fucking waveform like analyzer out soon, just to fucking tell.
I can tell you that there is a difference. There is 100%.
Okay, that's quite a bit quieter for that one. Well, I'm testing out a fix for it, you fucker. I know that there is a difference by default. Yes, I understand that.
Okay.
I'm testing out a fix for it. Let's see. Does Audio Listener 2D have anything extra? Not really. I guess I could do a check for dot prints. Listener dot is current. True. Okay. That's unfortunate. Wait, is the start sound also spatial? The soul dispenser.
Start sound? What start sound?
Soul dispenser. Start sound.
No, I don't.
Because it sounds quite a bit quieter.
I have no clue. I'm not gonna try to answer that.
Okay. You didn't make the card. It's okay. Let's see. Soul projector. Ability. You. There. An audio loop player. What happens whenever you get deployed? You have a function called play deploy sound. Play deploy sound. It is spatial. So I wonder why. If I were to go here and enable the 2D audio and have the fix that I have, does this make it work fine? Still like quite a bit quieter. For the docs for audio listener, only one audio listener 2D can be current. There's no. Okay, this is per viewport though, right? Right? Like, could I have one as part of the viewport on the player that also counts as current?
They're like dummy enemies for the tutorial, so it'll teach you how to like beat a room. But you don't actually have to fight the actual enemies.
Oh, okay, this won't be running. This should be printing out true. Okay, cool. Sick. Oh, shit. Okay, so this can be per viewport then. That seems... That's sick. So the soul dispenser noise and the pop sound are very different volumes currently. Let me load directly into this room and see if that's still the case.
Oh, also, Biddy, another issue. Or not an issue.
What's up?
Yeah. Another thing that exists is that the UI sound that you added, if I am on controller, it plays both the controller UI sounds and the mouse UI sounds.
Okay. You want to jot that down?
We don't have to worry about that too much right now, but the main... I think... I like how, like, the cards, like, pop up on the controller. I think it should act the same on the mouse. Like, if you have it focused on the mouse, it pops it up as well.
Okay.
And that just makes it easier. I'd rather everything, like, consistently act the same on both controller and mouse. I don't like it being different.
Okay.
Or you generate small sounds in some SERP.
That's still fucked up.
Where you got your sounds from? Yeah, I can send where I get them from. If that's what you're looking for. No, I'm not AI generating my sound. Gar.
I guess one thing that we could do... I'm fairly certain that this would work, but I don't know.
Yeah, I thought it's AI generated. No, I don't use any kind of AI generation.
Are you sure? Wait, I thought you said that like a couple of the sprites were AI generated.
No, they're not. Shut up.
'Cause you were like, I really
Not
like...
funny.
You were like, I really, really like AI generation.
No, I don't. Why is Biddy dreaming so much about squeaks? I don't know, man.
Because that's Pookie. What do you
That's
fucking
weird.
mean? That's Pookie, dog. I don't even watch squeaks outside of like small bursts. He's like Northern Lion, but like I can watch Northern Lion for like a few hours. But for like squeaks, it's like he's very like burst coded, you know? He's got bursts of funny, and Northern Lion's like a consistent funny. I know what I could potentially do. Yeah, let's try it. If channel.get parent. Ah, shit, no, I can't just straight up do that because that would...
It's over.
That would have the issue of whenever the level gets queue-freed, the audio streams would as well, which is like really obnoxious. Okay, well, how about this? How about instead of... Okay, well, here's a quick fix for this. I could just make a new audio player every time we want to play sound. And I don't know if that's like a terrible idea. I think like part of me says like, fuck it at this point, just do this and see if it works. So we're going to do that and see if it works. Oh, hi Callie. Hello. The creature. Hi. Want to sit down? Sit down. Sit down. Thank you.
I didn't know you were playing the other sound, to be honest.
What?
On the controller selection sound on the menu. Oh, maybe you're playing that on the...
It's it's something that's handled like somewhere very different because it's not like a per button thing. Since the controller was like it was like the implementation specifically for controller at first.
Well, I added the scale at least, so.
Yay.
I do kind of like the sound it makes though, on the controller selection.
That's where we make the PC play both.
Kind of like knock sound. Huh?
Make the PC play both. Like on mouse play both.
The PC.
Yeah.
PC well, yeah, I was going to try to have it play that sound for both of them.
Yeah.
But I can't figure out where it's playing that sound because I want to remove it from where it's playing that sound.
Yeah, it's playing it somewhere completely 100% separate from that. Let me think about.
I'll find it. No, I'll find it.
Oh, you'll find it. Okay. All right, you got this, man.
Give me like 5 minutes and I will find it.
Surely. He has no fucking clue where he needs to look for this one. Let's see, so for all of these get next, we're overriding the bus that they're on, right? Assuming. Yes. Okay, cool. Oh, Meowj, I'm gonna make you so fucking sad, actually. I'm gonna make you tragically sad. You said you only like the YouTube squeaks, Sag. Not even that. I only like the TikTok squeaks. Squeech. I only like the TikTok squeaks. Sorry, man.
I bet this guy only watches Northern Lion if he is in a TikTok with like a demon filter.
Nope. That's not me.
Biddy, I removed the sounds.
Okay.
There's no more sounds.
No sounds at all?
It's only the one sound. No, it's only the one sound on both keyboard and mouse.
Congrats, man. Happy for you.
That's pretty cool. Oh, also, I don't know the best way to deal with this. But another weird thing is if, say, I hover this one with my mouse and then start using the controller, it stays, like, tilted like that.
Yeah, I've got to do some shit with some shit.
Yeah, there's some way to, like...
Yeah, I'm gonna...
Set the, like,
set
the mouse position.
Okay, we're back. Sorry, I had the def when you were speaking and I needed to test sound. I think I got the thing fixed. And instead of telling you to shut up, I was going to shut myself up.
Yeah, no, that's fair. You both are valid.
Shut up. Shut the fuck up. I hate you, you motherfucker. Let's see. So, I've changed something. Sorry, I guess. The audio stream player manager thing right now, I think we're gonna do is just it just spawns in an audio stream player or audio stream player 2D where the player where it needs to be at, instead of having a pool of them like we were doing.
What?
What do you mean, what? What's the confusion?
I'm confused.
Yes, I know. Which part? Like, do you want to like narrow it down for me?
I don't know. Can you just say what you said again?
Okay, so the audio manager that we're currently using creates like 30 non-spatial and 30 spatial audio players. So whenever you do audio manager.play sound, it grabs the next available one of those. So far, so good? Okay. So instead of doing that, I'm going to have them simply create a new one whenever a sound needs to be played.
Okay. But how does that fix the issue?
Because the problem is that the audio stream here, you know what, I'll show you actually. I'll show you how that fixes the issue. So can you look at my screen? So imagine that this timer is the audio player that we had before. So we only have one audio player that gets played. So this lives under root, audio manager, and this is like the player. So this is on one viewport. That's what this thing is. It's a window, which is a viewport. And then inside of the level, under canvas layer, subviewport container, subviewport, we have the room and the player and whatever audio gets played in here. The problem is that this subviewport is kind of like, you can think of subviewports as like another world of things. So whenever something gets played, instead of it being positioned in this world that has the subviewport, it plays it instead based on this subviewport. And I don't know a good way to move those audio players into here. So instead, whenever something inside of the level requests an audio player, it just creates a new audio player and puts it in the level.
Yeah, that makes sense. Okay.
So that whenever something needs to be, which I actually need to have them freed whenever it's done playing, but that way.
Yeah, I think what I was confused on is I thought you were just adding them back to where they were before, which like, how does that fix that?
Nope, that would fix nothing. Yeah.
Yeah. Which is exactly why I was confused.
Okay. Yeah, I'm just putting them in the level because they need to be down there.
Kenny in text sounds, footsteps, concrete 3. Okay, beautiful. The Kenny impact sounds are kind of nice though for like random UI sounds.
Sometimes, yeah.
I'm not gonna lie.
Some of them are pretty good.
Some of them are like terrible.
Some of them are absolutely terrible, but that's okay.
This one might actually be even better.
What was that icon?
Try this one.
I've never heard of that. What are you? Ah, okay. I figured as much. I saw an icon for something I've never ever seen in Godot, which is called Signal Graph Node, and I was like, what the fuck is that? And I clicked on it. It's from a plugin. So that's pretty cool. I want to play more Dwarf Fortress and Hytale and Rivals 2 Workshop. Yeah.
You gotta eat your vegetables first.
That's not fair. I worked today.
Alright. Me too.
No, you didn't. You didn't go to work today. Fuck. Evil lying bastard, man. I said evil lying bastard, man. You did not go to work today.
How do you know that?
Because you were up playing Hytale at like fucking 10 in the morning. Like you were already on playing Hytale. And I'm pretty sure you would get off of work at 10 in the morning, which means that you would have had to get home in like a minute and start playing Hytale. And I don't think that's possible.
That's fair, I guess.
Does this, by chance... few free audio players. I hope it does. So like if I does this creates audio players and then they die. Cool. And the same thing for like I think Salmon Storm is probably the one that I want to test the most because I know that this one creates a bunch of audio players and does gross shit all over the place.
Using the UI sound effects plus like anywhere. Yeah, wait, no, I said they're wrong.
Oh well, yeah. No.
Okay, no, we're not. Okay.
They should free themselves. The Gibbs freed themselves after a while, right? Oh yeah, there we go. Cool.
Yeah.
And at the end of all that, we have the exact same scene tree we started with. Sick. And if you want to take a listen, actually, I'm going to pause my music if you want to make sure that this is up to your standards. Let me know when you're...
Yeah. I'm more listening. Yep, that sounds perfect. Yep, that sounds right.
Okay, and I'm going to spawn a dummy. I see that. I see you doing that. Don't think I don't.
What did you do down there?
I see it doing that. Don't worry about it. I know what's going on. It's very funny.
It's in alphabetical order. It's an alphabetical
I don't know
order.
what I'm looking for. I don't know why I'm in here.
You're looking for bees.
No, I'm not.
No, you're not looking for bees. I don't know why I thought you were looking for bees.
I wanted remote
You were
detonator.
testing the bees earlier, so like.
Yeah, but they're not. It's fine.
I see.
That's
a DPS dummy.
Oopsies.
Ooh. Yeah, that sounds fine.
That's in my right, or that's in my left ear for sure. That's definitely my right ear.
Yep.
Yeah. Cool.
Fire.
Here. So yeah, for anyone, I'm gonna turn my music back on so you might want to mute my stream. Alright. Yeah, I still remember that time that you were like driving. When we were at like I want to say it was like Hytale or some shit. Maybe Supernova, one of the two. And I told you, you know, you gotta take a left up here. And this motherfucker took his hands off the steering wheel and did the fucking L thing to figure out which one was left.
No, I did not. Bro's making stuff up.
But it's like believable, right? That's like believable as fuck.
Yeah, I was thinking. I was like, when did I do that? I like.
He was literally sitting there. He was like, "Wow, I really did that." And then he was like, "Wait a minute, no."
I think I have done that in like a, so.
I swear, if you guys have never done it, lying to your friends is so fucking fun. Like, just about the most innocuous things ever. It's just so fun. And you can make it less innocent if you immediately, like, admit that it was a lie, like, after you say it. That's the fun part. I need to add the environment to the...
I need a nice, like, click sound for this. Like, I don't care that cards don't click. It needs, like, a nice, like...
Is there a reason you keep,
sound when you
like,
hover over a button?
restarting the game? You can just change the sound and then... Okay, my fault.
Well, time to annoy people with BDC sounds.
Uh-oh, he's going into his OneDrive. Watch out.
Click. Actually, it's not in my...
Oh shit, you moved it out of OneDrive? That's unfortunate.
Yeah, it's in my giant 2 terabyte hard drive.
Is this like is this your 1 terabyte of sounds that you downloaded? Because you should have put that on OneDrive because it would have been really funny to waste storage of Microsoft's, but...
That's actually a good idea now that you mentioned that.
It's not, because you'd have to download the fucking audio every time you want to play them. What was I doing? Oh my god, I wanted to add the environment to the thing. Oh, wait. No. Well,
Wait, this one's clean. I just need to edit it in Audacity real quick. Coffee grinder knob turn, click 3 times. My goat.
Yeah, the start
Thank
menus.
you, coffee grinder turn, click 3 times. Yeah, it's beautiful.
Can I get the current environment from a scene? Like, is there a get environment? There's OS render data? What do you do? Get environment. Returns the RID of the environment object in the rendering server being used to render this viewport. That's annoying potentially. Whatever. I've got a bug to fix regardless. The cards, I can scroll my cards while I'm paused, and I shouldn't be able to do that. And the problem with that is the player UI, or I guess it would be under player. These need to be set to pausable, or yeah, there we go. Yeah, okay, buddy. All right, man. Yeah, for sure, dude. Still can't believe you gave yourself cat ears in Hytale. Like, immediately.
Yeah, because they look cool.
Yeah, okay, buddy. All right, man. Back it up, gang. You're going home. You're getting sent back to that camp. They didn't fix it the first time. Okay, so that works.
Sorry.
Okay, I
I
can't
was trying to meow along to the song, but it was too high pitched.
Yeah. Okay, cool. That looks like that works. So now the player UI works. The player UI no longer gets scaled by that. The main problem is if I take the window and scrunch it down, now you'll see that the UI moves out, but the actual viewport doesn't. So I need to figure out how we want to fix that. Couple of ways I can do that. I actually can't click on my taskbar right now. Something is in the way. Something's in the way. What is it? Is it somehow... Oh, somehow Godot related? What? What is Arrival? Oh, is it because I have my frame rate unlimited? Hold up. It might be that. I might be like killing my computer. Let's fix that. Yeah, it is. My graphics card was like, stop, mercy, please. All right. So I can do level.tscn. I can grab this thing. Just need both of these to be useful, I guess. I'll just call this like world layer or something. We'll toss that there. So this needs to have access to the sub viewport. And it needs access to the container, which is a sub viewport container. Pop and pop.
Also, by the way, Biddy, the sound does not actually update in real time, so...
It doesn't?
Nope.
Weird. You must have done it wrong.
Yeah.
Weird. So if I were to go...
There we go. That's kind of nice. Here, let me pause my music and you can listen to the beautiful clicky sounds this makes.
Alright, clicky sound time. Have you paused music?
Yes.
Holy shit, dude. It's like, just fucking... I just killed a bokoblin. Or I killed a skeleton in New Super Mario Bros. U. Or some shit. New soup.
New soup.
New soup.
Now we just need
Good Mario.
How to make a sound.
So if I get the window and then I do resize... Well, actually... Can I have this read in the window size? Yeah, probably. However, I think there's a better place for that, which is video settings. However... Oh no, you're an auto load. I remember. Yeah. That's actually so fine. Signal window resized, which will emit a rectangle that tells me where the window is. Say like window updated. So do you have a ready function? You do. And I want you to reload the video settings. I want you to say get window. What are we doing with this? Display server, window set vsync mode. Is there a display server, like, window resized signal? Or is that not a thing that we have? Resize? Window start resize? No. Okay, that's fine. It's window, not resize. Size changed. There it is.
Now, how the heck do I make a sound for when you click on it?
What?
Is that in here?
How do you make a sound for what?
When you click on it.
Oh,
That'll be
you want that to be like an everything sound, or you want that to be specifically for this?
Ideally, that would be nice if there was an option for that, but like I'm not seeing that.
There is not currently.
Yeah, like I know there isn't currently, but there's no like.
Yeah, I didn't make a function called just like open or like click or whatever. It would be inside of the function in the card, like the class that extends that, like the card guy. Yeah,
well, I was saying it'd be nice to have it in this.
Yeah,
if possible. I don't know
it will be potentially. I want to do a bit of a UI rework by the time the game, like whenever we get some time. If that's a thing. Which it might not be.
Yeah.
Is there a signal for whenever a window gets moved by chance?
Probably.
Not to pop up this posted and keep finish around ground. Focus on There's not even like a size. There is size changed. I guess that's part of viewport, perhaps. It is, yeah.
What sounds do we use for the forge? Because these are really nice. I really like these.
I don't know.
I just want to use these everywhere. I'll look and figure that out and try to put them in everywhere because I like those.
Yeah. I need to make a note of going back through and making things easier to change, because a lot of the time I'm just adding something and I'm like, I need to make this work, and I toss in a sound and it works, but
yeah.
Let's see, get
description card.
Is it for whenever you hover over it, or is it for whenever you click on it?
Whenever you hover over it.
That is in the Forge UI. Or it's under the one of the containers that holds onto it, I believe. Like, not the Forge itself. I think it might be card inventory. Handles the hover code. Because it needs to keep track of which card is.
Book flip 3. Is that serious? There's no way that's the sound. Is book flip 3? No way Kenny made a good sound for once.
You literally were just praising this motherfucker for great sounds.
Well, no, not in his Kenny impact sounds are great. Kenny RPG
I
sounds
see.
are awful.
What is invisible rect? Is this?
What is this? Book flip. What is it? Book flip 3? Oh wait, that is peak. What the heck? Thank you, Kenny. My goat. Change those now. No longer will we use UI click 3. We will use book flip 3. It will be beautiful.
Okay, so this does. That does.
I forgot that I need to replay the music.
So that does change on size, but I can't change it whenever I move my. Whenever the window moves.
Okay, that's really loud though. So where am I playing this from? Yeah, I'm playing at 0.5 there, so we'll play it at 0.5 here. Actually, you know what? I'm putting a hover sound volume export that will only be used if necessary. because I would much rather have an option to change it than hard code it to fit one sound and then have to change it again later.
What are you talking about?
The hover sound, the book flip 3 is kind of loud for the UI, so it needs to be quieter.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm not going to just hard code the volume into the focus element. I'm just going to add export for this volume. And I'd just default it to 1, so that way if it's not necessary, it doesn't matter, but if we want to change it, we can.
Oh, actually, I might be making a mistake. Can you do a Control F for where actually you're going to look for it anyways, just wherever the sound's being played. Oh no, okay, sick. I did put it on the right bus. Cool.
I think in the Forge it's the one. I did also change that. This is literally the only place we're using the UI bus, so I reduced the reverb a little bit.
Okay, yeah.
Because it was kind of loud.
Yeah. Why is this not...
I cannot revert argument 3 from a rate to float for sound volume. Hello?
Just restart the game.
Good.
Yeah, something happened. Don't worry about it. It's just
something.
Yeah, Godot was holding onto a cache of the script or something, and then you saved it. It was like, okay, time to keep running this code, and then didn't completely invalidate everything.
Down. Hello? Why is it 0? Hello?
Try 1.0. Also you can hit the arrow to... But why is it?
Because that's...
Just reload the project. I think it's because they're tool scripts, so like the script wasn't actually reloaded.
Oh, yeah.
So like the variable isn't present.
Rough.
Alright, man.
Sorry.
Okay. Alright, yeah, for sure.
My bad.
So I can do this whenever the window size
I
changes.
didn't have dog ears in Hytale.
So they do or don't?
It's over. They don't.
That's funny.
I don't think. They had a frog hat. Did you see the frog beanie?
No. I hit random until I found a character that I thought was funny enough to use.
That's so lame.
That's so lame. Instead of making my fucking Hytale Sona that is like... Never mind. Never mind.
Bro has never heard of creativity.
Honestly, I think that if I'm able to look at a randomly generated selection until I find something that I like, that may actually be a little bit more creative than trying to tweak something to be the exact same display of myself that I have in Minecraft and Hytale. You're out here trying to make yourself look like a little twink femboy cat boy. I'm over here hitting random until I find something I vibe with. And honestly, like, I don't know, man. I think mine is like a little bit superior.
Like, tell me this isn't peak.
Tell you this isn't peak.
Why isn't it peak? Why is it not hello window drag?
Hold up, let me find my Hytale that my Hytale made. Real quick.
There we go. Look at this. Look at this. It's not beautiful.
Let me launch Hytale real quick, and I'll show you what it gave me.
Look, like he even got like the little bunny shirt. That you
wow, look at him. Look at him, dude. He's got like an SS jacket on. What the hell? He's got some fucking...
It's a black jacket.
He's got like a fucking SS jacket. This motherfucker's meeting up with Jimmy and hanging out. What the fuck? That's crazy.
Is that Larry? No, that's not Larry.
Wife Catboy is a crazy emote. Very cool, Meowj. Very cool. Do we have a function whenever the game is being killed? It's like in level, right? We have like a exit tree. Yeah.
You never sent your
yeah, because I'm opening up the game because I don't have a screenshot of it because I was like, okay, I'm happy with life.
Are there any free cat emojis?
There's Gardevoir. You can use Gardevoir if you want. It's not a cat, but...
It's not what I asked for.
Hold up, let me get a sniffing tool of this shit. This is what the game randomly generated me, and I was like, this is what we're rocking with, because this is
It's so ugly.
See, this is what I'm talking about, dude. This is what I'm talking about.
That's completely devoid of creativity.
No, I make this work. I rock this shit,
That's
dude.
so bad. You don't make that work. That might be the most abysmal combination I've seen in my entire life.
That's what the game randomly generated with me, and I was like, dude, I fuck with this. Fuck it, man. I guess we're rocking it. Oh.
You might be evil. Like, genuinely.
Might be evil. Sorry.
Can, like, somebody in chat just, like, say that that looks good with 100% honesty.
Meow just said nice shoes.
That's different. There we go.
That's
now,
different.
these clicky sounds are even better.
I don't know if this should be called here. I guess I could load this, actually. Let's see. Var window rect. Someone kill it, please. Dude, I can't wait till Dante's 9 is over and we like stop being friends forever. That'll be really fun, I think.
What?
What? What do you mean?
I haven't learned how to program yet.
Fuck. He's like, no, dude, you can't go. Please, no. Does this fully save the file? Oh, it totally does. Whatever, who cares? Me. But, like, whatever. Last window size. It's going to be window rect, which actually I should just save this off as a variable. I don't know why I'm not. This is, like, stupid. Oi. Bad. Bad cat.
No, that's not me.
Still don't believe. I don't know.
Sorry, I'm just meowing along to the jazz.
Have you ever... You've been in a McDonald's like late at night, right? I'm assuming. Have you ever heard like the shitty jazz that they play inside of McDonald's?
No, I have no clue what you're talking about.
Oh, it's so funny. At least I think it's very funny.
Yeah, you would think that's funny.
Okay, dude. All right, man. Whatever, I guess. No, it's like, it's very, I don't know, it's just like shitty jazz-ish. It's like jazz adjacent. And we had a theory that the reason that they played it was to like keep people from being able to sleep inside of the McDonald's because of how bad it was. Because it was just like, it was obviously not real jazz. It was just like weird. I don't know.
It's not real jazz.
All right, buddy. That's it. Into the kennel you go.
What?
Update window size. Actually, will this happen before the game closes?
Why is the little dancing guy emoji that you just posted perfectly in time with my music? That's scaring me.
Invalid assignment.
There's two of them now.
Size with value of type vector 2i. Oh, you're right. This is a vector 2i, right? Yeah, and you are what? Vector 2i as well. Sick. Guess what, dickhead? You're a wrecked 2i now.
Perfect. Yeah, it is perfect.
Does this exit tree at the right time? Please, 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 please. All I ask is that you print something out. You printed nothing out. Is it because console doesn't exist at that point? Mayhaps? No. Okay, you just don't get called at all. I'm actually like kind of surprised about that. I thought that you would.
Yeah, it's kind of crazy.
Hmm. Wait, what? Is there a like a signal I can get off the tree that's like killed, dead, no more game? Any cool signals I can like hook into here? Actually, node added, node removed, node renamed, scene changed, tree changed, scene process changed. Really? There's not like a hey guys, we're like killing everything now signal at all? Nothing?
Nope.
Okay, that's a little annoying. Do run code when game closes.
Why do you need to run code when game closes?
Because I want to save the players last, hold on. Okay. No, I just wanted to save the last window size, like, thing, so that whenever the game closes, if they're in windowed mode, I can save where the location of the window is, so that, people who have specialized zones that they put their, window into, or, you know, any player ever can have, like, the same consistent window across playtime.
We now have menu UI sounds, and it sounds nice.
Whoa.
At least on the main menu. Which is the main thing I cared about.
Oh, interesting. So that looks like that leaked that because I... I think that's fine. I think I can do something with this. I can do, level manager. You're gonna be holding on to so many hats, man. I'll be honest, game closed is now a signal. Funk, you're not overriding notification yet, are you? No, sick. If what equals notification WM close request. Get tree out it. Up. Otherwise, right before then, I would like to do game close limit. So the inside of here, inside of my inside of video settings. Game closed. think that should work, and then I can do a print for like we're closed, right? And then this should work, so that whenever I close the game, the world gets happy and not upset with everything. Yay! Okay. So now I can here, and I can grab. Or actually, I can check my config file because I think that should have saved it. Yay, it does save it. That's a very gross looking thing, but whatever. Who cares?
Yeah, so we're working on it, Twin. Trust.
Working on
Biddy, Biddy, help.
what? What are you trying to do? What? Why did this go from nothing was wrong to
making noises?
Oh, okay. This is your latest stem. Your latest stem is Biddy help.
Biddy help.
Bit plea.
Biddy plea. Play sound. Which random sound function should I use today?
If JW was Slenderman, it would be his 7 audio functions and not his 7 pages. I think that's pretty cool.
Wait, there are actually 7 functions.
There's quite a few more, I think.
Well, I meant that like play sounds.
Yeah, that I'm fairly certain. I meant there's more. Like, 'cause I think
There's not. Audio manager. Dot play random sound random pitch. Play random sound random pitch spatial. Play sound random pitch. Play sound random pitch spatial. Play sound spatial. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. C.
okay. Well, we need one more function then.
Yeah.
You know, I think instead of this like generic function that takes in like different audio streams and like parameters, what if we made a new function for every type of sound we wanted to play? So like play menu knob sound and it just like does that.
Wait, that might be fire.
Yeah, I think that might be the play.
I'm changing how we do the sounds here, by the way.
No, dude, no way. Okay.
I know, right? Wait, what sound is it again? It was concrete something. Footsteps, concrete 4, probably. That's what it was. Book flip 3. What crazy names.
What does this save as? Full screen is false. Okay, terrific. Full screen mode is 2? What the fuck is 2? Maximized? What? Oh, I guess that makes sense. Yeah, so if we are not maximized, then I want you to just return.
Oh, that did something funny.
Otherwise, I want you to window. Oh, so if correct. If not correct. So window dot size is equal to correct size. Window dot position. I think this will work now. Eventually. Hopefully this stays maximized. It looks like it does. So if I were to grab this move this to here and then close the game. Does that put it into the correct spot?
There you go.
Let's find out.
Okay, Biddy, all UIs where there's actually, let me check the guy real quick, see if he works.
This is pretty funny. This is not what I wanted it to do, actually.
Okay, so yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I just need to change the sounds there, and then we should be good.
Take a look at this one. This one's fun.
Oh, I want to see Twin.
Do you like?
Twin, I want to see.
Do you like my window?
Oh, wonderful. Yeah.
That's like exactly what I asked of it, actually. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's fair. It did do it the correct way. It did exactly what I asked of it and nothing more. So that full screen mode, you can pass this in, which is great. But I actually need the windowed mode.
How do I know that this thing is called card option? How did I know that?
I don't know, man. I need this to be either actually windowed or not windowed. How does Godot tell that it should be maximized or not? Like, there has to be like a simple function inside of window that just lets me like set this to maximized or not based on like the size of it, right? Surely maximize disabled. That's great. That's not even remotely close to what I wanted.
Oh, also hi Master Liberty.
What's their Master Liberty? Oh shit. Dr. Croissant Fern noodle covered in hands. The game is done already? Yeah. This is true.
Yeah, it's done.
Something does of what you asked of it. Yeah, this is true. Yeah. Well, no. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
How do I?
Yeah.
How do I make this fucking? All right. Okay. Cool. Yep. Yeah. You know, you can just like keep doing it. I guess. Yeah. Fuck it, man. Why not? Yeah. Yeah.
Now. Oh, I didn't set the export. Hold up. Stop.
Alright, there was no maximized size on that, right? Like, I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna take a look. Like, there's not like a maximize. Is maximize allowed? Just tells me whether or not the button is enabled. Yeah, cool. Sick. Exactly what I wanted. Is there anything about size in here that would tell me, like, what? No. Oh, cool. Welcome back. Size. Content scale size, max size, min size, size. Okay. Content's minimum size, size with decorations includes just the title bar, I think. And border, I guess. So it would be like 1 pixel on the left, 1 pixel on the right, 1 on the bottom, and then the title bar size, which is not what we want. Themes, sure. Reset size, start resize, great. And it would maybe be like tied to the screen. Like, I guess I could grab the current screen. Sorry, what was that? There was something about title bar changed. E.g. Mac OS, whenever they exit. Oh, okay. So, great. Screen? Current screen, great. Terrific, yeah. I want to know, where does this take me? If I click on this, is it just going to open up the Wikipedia page for... Oh no, okay, sick, what the fuck? It's a very useful page. It just takes me to a page on the docs about Viewport. When's the Hytale stream? JW, when are we streaming Hytale?
In 5 minutes.
At 8:11 specifically.
Yep.
Okay. There you go, boys. 8:11. It looks like.
Oh, I'm gonna be asleep by then. Okay, we'll do it now. Right now.
No. No.
How dare you stream a tale that I.
What if I made this windowed instead? Like, what would that do? Let's find out. Fuck it. Also, why the fuck would you ever lie to us about that, Moaz? That's kind of mean. To lie to your so-called friends. Yeah. No, I believe that you're going to be asleep at a reasonable time, for sure. I believe that so much. 100%, yeah. Evil liar. I know you ain't sleeping for another 4 hours. Don't lie to me.
Yeah, you're gonna go play Dota.
Yeah, you're gonna play Dota.
Gonna play Dota. Gonna go play Boda.
You know what you could do? You know what you could do, mamas? How about this? Make yourself useful and go mod a character into Rivals 2 workshop right now. Go on. Learn Lua. Please, for the love of God, learn Lua.
Use Lua.
Yeah. A lot of games use Lua, yeah. Maybe we should put Lua in Dante's 9 for modding.
Perchance.
Okay, so this is only on load, so I think this is fine as fuck. Probably. Because I think I could see something like, if window.size or get size with decorations. Oh, hold on. Window size. Get size with decorations. So what I want to do is I want to say if window size.x is, well, hold on. I want to make sure that this is like most of the screen, I guess. And if it's most of the screen, then it should go to maximize. Otherwise, don't do that. Right? Like, dot current screen. Server dot screen get size. Yeah. Screen size is that. Is this in a vector 2 or a vector 2i? It's a vector 2i. Sick. Yay. This is also a vector 2i. Yay. These are going to be vector 2s. I need floats. Sorry.
Oh, that feels so much better. I adjusted the animation on the cards, so that way picking a card, once you pick a card, the animation's a lot faster and it resumes a lot faster. Because for some reason there was like a half a second, somewhere around there, delay after you pick the card before it unpaused the game, and it just felt so bad.
I see.
Like you'd pause it, and then it'd go down, and then you just sit there for a second and be like, why am I just sitting here? Like you didn't really notice it too much, but like changing it really, you can really feel the difference. It feels much nicer.
Really makes you feel like Dante.
Yeah. Yeah. We now have.
What?
Oh, also, I noticed another thing that's missing is when you scroll with your scroll wheel, it doesn't play the card pick sound.
Oh, do we want that?
Yeah.
Okay.
I just need to figure out where that is and add that.
It is base card selector, I think. Yep, base card selector. Actually, sorry. Let me actually see if that changes. If that emits only whenever new cards are selected, because it might be something that you can do in the hand if that's the case. Does it do it whenever you have a controller or no?
What?
Whenever you have a controller, if you're using controller.
Like when you click.
I'm assuming the answer is no. I'd be very surprised if.
I have no clue. Nah, it doesn't.
Oh, you know what? You're gonna lose your fucking mind when you find out that this should, but I guess it just doesn't.
Also, I cannot select with the right stick anymore.
Are you holding down the button?
Holding down left trigger. Oh, there we go. Now it's working.
Oh.
I think it might have been because of my mouse. I think it was something with my mouse. I think it thought my mouse was moving slightly.
Oh. Wait, what the fuck? Okay, actually, don't worry about that. It was supposed to do that. I was testing something, and I forgot that I was testing something, and it stopped working.
And you turned it off and...
Nope. It just stopped working. It worked at some point.
It just stopped working.
Actually,
okay.
It's working on my side.
Many such cases.
It's literally working for me right now.
That's crazy.
I think it's one of the viewport issues. I think it got broken by that.
Oh yeah, it could be spatial sound.
It's not spatial, but yeah. It's because it's being played through the viewport. Like it's something that's in the world. It's not being played through the audio manager.
Yeah.
Because it uses polyphonic sound. Because I was messing around with that.
Yeah. And we can probably just remove the testing indicators off of these guys for right now.
Yeah, we definitely can if you want to do that. I mean, it's yeah. You can just kill the fucking node off of them. It's easy enough.
I'm actually surprised at how easy it was to add all the sounds, by the way. So yeah, if you look here, there's something weird. See, it looks like these are working, but there's something weird here where it does this.
Oh, it's not scrolling down.
Scroll. Yeah.
Oh, what the fuck?
Yeah, I don't know, it's weird.
Interesting.
And did you re-add the environment to the starting menu?
I did, yeah.
Or do you want me to do that? Okay. Okay. Yeah, so at this point, I think I might just focus on polishing up the stuff that we have currently and leave out the tutorial for right now. Because I think most people that are going to be playing the playtest already know how to play the game. Especially since I'm not planning to send the playtest to any like streamers or anything currently.
Okay.
I mean, if there are any, it would be people that like I know personally. By the way, we still did get like a 20 wish list today, which is still very good. I should be making some more posts.
Why didn't I do it? I told you to do it. What the fuck? Oh, I have this flipped around the wrong way. Oopsies. Wait, is that coming through on my stream, or is that something that just happened on my OBS for funsies? Because my OBS just flashed white like 8 times in a row.
No, I didn't see it.
Not on my Discord stream, on my OBS. Like on my...
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you're watching
OBS
my
just
Discord.
likes to do that though sometimes.
Yeah, I don't know. Okay.
Like I've had that happen a lot.
Sick. This.
Could also be that my OBS is just cursed. It's so weird. My when you short on YouTube, it just keeps getting views. Like it's not like a ton, but it just keeps going up. I think it's probably my most viewed short on YouTube at this point. Because the salmon one did well as well, but it didn't do quite as well as on the other TikTok and Instagram.
I don't understand. The window mode should be set to windowed and the size should be set to size, right? Am I like not, am I going insane on this one? Or wait, no, you set do you set window size through this, or do you do like display server dot window set size? I think it's that. Fuck me, that's annoying. Yeah, so I can just do like window dot size, I guess, and then do like window set position to window dot. Sure.
Yeah, what are those? Those emotes.
Who?
Youch.
What are they? What? What is that? Yeah, we got some weird people in our chat, man. Oh my god.
Many such cases.
We have some weird people in our chat. I don't get it. I don't know where they're coming from. I don't know why they're here. I mean, like, welcome to the chat, but like, what the hell, you know? Your knuckles are on cooldown. You can crack them again now.
What?
Your knuckles are on cooldown. You can crack them again.
I like don't crack my knuckles, really.
Oh.
Yeah, no.
Be worse. Be worse if a person crack your knuckles. Make everyone else uncomfortable. Have you seen the video of Swagger Souls asking everyone at his, like, they had like a panel or whatever, he asked everyone to crack their knuckles at the same time, and it was disgusting.
Nope.
Okay. Alright, I'll send you that video later.
Okay.
Yeah, no problem, dog. I got you. You're welcome. Why is this... Do I also need to do like display server dot window set type, set mode? I guess I do, potentially. Window dot mode. Windowed. Oh, sorry. It's display server dot window mode windowed. You got me. I don't understand why the window isn't updating. I'm setting the size.
The update isn't out by 11:59. I'm killing Shinya like how he kills me. You're saying that like that's a loss.
Okay, so we are not putting the update out for that. What is git frame? Returns how many physics process steps have been processed since the application started? What the fuck? I didn't know that was a thing.
Fire. We should have a gun that deals us damage based on how many frames have passed.
We should have a gun that deals damage based on how low your frame rate is.
That's kind of a good idea.
That way, people who are like on terrible computers are like, dude, I can actually like play this game. It's like a buff to be terrible.
That would be really funny.
Moaz would be like, holy shit, I'm so good at this game. What the fuck?
We have like so many scripts in this project. Like literally just that I've opened since the last time I cleared this. There's just like so many things.
Yeah. That's what happens
It's
when like
crazy.
Yeah, life goes insane. Why? Why is this not updating? Alright, how about this?
Yeah, it gets to a point where it just like stops being scary because you just don't register how many things there are in the project. It's just like
Like, oh yeah, that's Dante's 9, I guess.
On at once. Yeah.
Must be. Yeah. It's kind of cool. Wait, am I stupid? I am stupid. I'm so dumb. I've been calling this the wrong thing the entire time. Right? Oh, I am. Yeah, this is supposed to be window size. Or window rect dot size and window rect dot position. I think. Potentially. I guess we'll find out. Please, for the love of God. Please. If I move this and make it a small window, all I want this to do is reappear over to the bottom right of my screen as a small window. And I know it's not going to. It's not even on my screen anymore. I don't know where it is. Dante's 9 is currently nowhere. Oh! Oh! Do you see my Dante's 9, JW? Do you like my Dante's 9? I think I'll play a little bit of Dante's 9 the long way. How was it running? Oh shit. 25 FPS. Don't mind if I do. Oh wow. That's so cool. I don't know why I did that. Oh, because I'm not setting this to anything. I see. Kinda. Oh shit, it saved my Dante's 9 the long way at least. That's kind of cool. I don't know if it meant to do that, but it did it. God, I want to play Dwarf Fortress so bad, actually. Fuck. Hytale or Dwarf Fortress? Hytale or Dwarf Fortress, man. I hate that I have to ask
Obviously,
myself that question, but like...
set up the server.
Oh! JW.
Will this work?
Look, whenever I run the game... It's in windowed down here now. And if I maximize it... It's a maximized window almost. Ignore that. Why is it not maximized? You should be maximized. You should have your thing set to maximized. What the fuck? Oh, because I'm... No, what? Oh, because it's not 0.95. It's like 0.92 or something. Whatever. There we go. So then now I think if I set this to be a vertical window, close it, and then reopen it, shouldn't maximize itself anymore. It should only be like that horizontal window in the center. Let's fucking go, dude.
That's nice.
Yeah. That'll actually end up helping you out a decent bit because of your window area
That weird
thing.
setup,
Yeah, your weird shit that you got going on. But also just like I think that's like a good thing to have just because it is.
Yeah.
Let's see. Okay. And now that that is good, I can get rid of any prints that are in here. Update window size. It's called here. Update window size. Size. And then you emit window updated, which will now be grabbed by the world layer. Video settings. Window updated. Next on window updated. Like this, I think this should spit out whatever the fuck this is. Oh, cool. But oh, because I'm not in a level yet. There we go. So it's that position and that size. And if I were to resize, yay! Okay, cool. So now what I can do is I can say sub viewport dot size 2D override is equal to rec dot size. I think. Oh shit. Wait, JW. We're getting there. We're getting there. Almost. Almost.
Nice.
I don't know why it's like very zoomed in, but I can now calculate something off of that, I think. We probably want to calculate that by width, right? Like, just plus like a constant here, which is like default width, 1920. And then we will grab this and say something. Dot print rect dot size dot x divided by default width. Both of these need to be floats, perhaps. This should be 1. Yeah, okay, so this would be zoomed out. This would be I wonder how we want to do that. I guess I haven't really thought about that. Let's try this. Let me open up an old version of Dante's 9, actually. I'm curious what Godot does by default. Oh, actually, I can just do it with the start menu. Oopsies. Start menu, me, please. So if I make the window thinner, it zooms out, and if I make the window shorter, it also zooms out. I'm actually not terribly sure how it does that.
Is it based on whichever one's smaller?
It's doing something like that. I'm just trying to think of like
Yeah, it looks like it's based on whichever one's smaller. It shrinks in that direction.
it's like really weird because like I wonder if we could go details. I guess I have the docs page pulled up about multiple resolutions because I opened that up. So fuck it, let's read what this does. Let's see. Stretch settings, stretch mode is I care about viewport. Keep aspect ratio when stretching the screen, but keep neither the base width nor height. What the fuck are you saying to me? Keep aspect ratio when stretching the screen, but keep neither the base width nor height? Okay, I think I know what I can do. Kinda. I guess first things first is I want this to do the cool zooming thing that does. So, what I can do is I can...
Everybody say hi to the dog.
Dog?
Woof, woof.
There's a dog.
The dog is woofing.
I don't hear it. Is it like the sound that you're playing right now, or?
It was my dog was.
Oh, your actual dog. Okay, it didn't come through on your mic, oddly enough.
That's crazy because that was really loud.
What?
Maybe it's because it was so loud that
Sorry.
it didn't get picked up. Possible.
So I want to calculate what our default aspect is going to be. Aspect ratio is width divided by height, right? Or something like that. Default size dot x divided by default size dot y. And then we can do like current aspect is rect dot size dot x divided by rect dot size dot y. Here.
5. Wow, you won 5 points. I should add like a point shop for the avatars.
Where you can buy cases and get skins.
I'm not sure if you can do that. You might be able to.
Well,
actually.
we know how to write things in GD script, and Godot has a integration plugin with OBS or Twitch or whatever.
Well, it's. I guess that could maybe work, but it's like its own separate program. You know that, right?
Yeah, you could just
The
like
little guys.
you could just like read it in from it potentially. I don't know. Maybe, mayhaps. What is the purpose of the points in that little program you use?
It has a thing set up where you can set up like a shop. For,
Oh, like that was actually okay.
Customization.
I see.
Yeah, so you can like. Basically, you gain points like by watching over time, but then you can also gain points by like playing little games. It's pretty fun if you like set it up, because you can also like battle other people and like gamble on it. You can use slots. It's fun.
I see. Okay, so what I want to do is if the... How the fuck does this work? Okay, so this window size is slightly wider versus like it's slightly shorter, I guess is the correct way to say it. Slightly shorter than what the actual window would be. So if I do this 1.88, so if it is larger than the aspect, I need to what? What do I need to do? I guess I could get like so hold on, print default or current aspect divided by default aspect. Correct. So this will be that. So to make up for the slightly wider, I would need to divide the current size by that, mayhaps, to keep it in line with 16.9. That doesn't sound right. That doesn't sound right at all. What am I saying? What am I speaking about?
Clue twin.
No. I need to take the... Wait. Set this back to default size, just no matter what. You're back to squishy Dante. Sorry. So I would take, in this case, the width is much larger than the height. The width is... How many times larger than the height? 2.5? That sounds about right. So could I just take the height and multiply it by, like, this number, perhaps? So that would be for is 2d override dot y times equals that. You're pissed about... Yeah, sure, dude. That's fine. I don't care. Kind of. Yeah, sure. Uh-oh. That's wrong. Okay, and that works until it gets to this point where this is... Yeah. Our ratio is that. So if ratio is greater than... Well, actually, let me make sure. The ratio. Up. What? Wait, what? Yeah, that looks mostly right. If I were to make this like a much smaller window.
Looks right, probably.
These are about the same ratio. Yeah, that looks still right to me. Okay. until I start doing this, at which point it zooms in a lot, which is wrong. I need this to go the other way. So if the ratio is less than 1, we do this divide by height. If ratio less than 1, do this thing. Otherwise, I'm assuming we can just divide the x by that, potentially. Hello, chat. Hello, Mestron. How you doing? Oh, shit. That's not correct. Okay. Then maybe we multiply the y by the ratio somehow. Ooh, that's somehow even worse. Quite cool. That's wrong. We multiply the x by ratio. That'd be kind of funny if that works. That, like, kind of does, actually. That actually just does. Cool.
Pretty cool.
Sick. Okay. Yeah, no, that looks right to me. And then that means I can go in here and set this to a 2 issue, and now this should just work regardless of the monitor size or the window size or anything. It just works. Like, that looks like terrible because we're at like such a low resolution and we're half resolutioning that, but I mean, like, that's Dante for sure. Yeah, okay, cool. I think that works. I'm actually kind of surprised. I thought that I had to do more with that. That seems like that's just correct. Like, does that just work for any resolution size? Obviously this one, I mean, I could test it versus this, but I mean, that looks right to me, like right enough. Oh, that's actually so funny. Wait. Oh, goodbye UI. Oh. Oh, wait, no, wait. Sorry, what did you say? Oh, scrolling with the mouse doesn't make a sound, you mean? Going over like this does? Does yours...
That's what I said.
Okay, I thought you meant it didn't make a sound at all. I see.
No. Scrolling.
Okay, yeah, the scrolling doesn't make a sound either. Oops. I'm a goober a little bit. Oh, that's funny. That's quite cool. But I don't want it to do that. What the hell?
What the? What happens if you go into a room?
It should fix itself, I think. Like, even if I did like redeal cards, it does fix itself. But
Yeah. No, because I've had the same issue before, where like if I change the screen size, it'll do weird stuff.
But like that works. I'm hella surprised that just works.
That looks great.
Like, this is Dante. It's 9. That's Dante's 9. Where's the fade? Where's the level fade right here?
Not there.
Oh. I can't leave. I'm trapped. Wait, I can't leave. Why can't I leave? What? No errors. Come here. What? Oh, there's an error. There's this error. Wasn't able to place room. Oh. Yeah, okay, so this actually ended up stopping the generation because I can't place the boss. I see. That's fine. I think that's important for us to know about.
Yeah.
Oh, cool. That still isn't doing anything. Oh, is the exit out here? What? Where's the exit? Um. Something's wrong. Something is broken. I don't know what this is. This isn't supposed to be there. And this should be... Yeah, something's broken with this. But what scene am I loading into? I'm assuming my stream is still going, but Windows just gave me 2 notifications of OBS disconnected and immediately OBS reconnected. Slightly terrifying, but whatever, I guess. If it's still working, then I don't really care, but... Okay, cool. This should work. Okay, so what else do we need? JW for the update? I guess I don't have an option to turn down the quality, but I haven't added that yet, but I should.
Yeah, that wouldn't be too hard to do.
Do we, actually, what do we want it to be? Do we want it to be like a slider like this, where you can like turn it down from like whatever? Or do you want it to be like a drop down?
Nah, it should just be an option that's like low, medium, high.
Like,
or like a...
Like render scale or something, or...
Yeah, like render scale.
Okay. I can do that.
Apologies to anybody watching my stream, I'm doing sound design.
Apologies to anybody watching my stream.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just a general statement, you know. What are you connected to? And why are you on quality selected? I see. Why? Whatever, I don't care enough to fix it. Unity function called, like, I don't know, on render scale selected. Actually, let me check. Does this need to be a number? Item ID.
Oh, I still need to make the mark card art as well.
I mean, you can just leave it as it is. I'm sure that there are people that wouldn't mind.
I could do that, but I'm not going to do that.
What? Why not?
Been balancing on that. Wait.
Man.
Yeah.
Man.
This guy really wants to play Hytale right now.
Hytale maybe. I want to do that. I have to install Java 25 on my fucking Steam Deck. Wait. No. Wait, no, I totally can. Hold on. I gotta walk through the different stages of grief that I just felt. I think I can. I think I can Ethernet my Steam Deck. I might not, but I might not need to. We'll have to see. Holy shit, I cannot type. Apparently you have an uneven screen somehow. I don't even know what that means, but
I think that was before I resized it to fit, you know.
Okay. What's so funny about accidentally hitting the exit button and seeing it slowly disappears? I can do nothing about it. Like, I know the game's gonna eventually close, and I literally just can't do anything. I get to sit here and stare at it the entire time.
Fire.
Yeah.
Okay, chat, what should the mark card actually be? Because that's like one of the main things I need to do before it'll be ready.
What?
Mark card.
Mark.
It basically just puts a little mark thing on the enemy with the highest health, and they take like extra damage.
Wait a second.
Did I ever make this thing work with like stickers and all?
Minute. Sorry, I'm gonna do something stupid now. I'm gonna do something really dumb all of a sudden. What if I did that? What the fuck? That's weird. That's like really weird.
Is it?
Okay, JW, can you... This is fun, but weird. Okay, so this is Dante, right? We know Dante.
Yeah, I'm looking.
So if so I'm getting 200 frames a second. If I go into the sub viewport and I set the size to double my resolution, nothing much changes. But if I go into the player, zoom it in, this is like the same size. Oh, never mind. Actually, never mind. Forget what I was going to say. This looks... I understand what's going on. All right, just kidding. You can go back to doing what you were doing.
Okay.
Take it off Biddy Vision if you have it on Biddy Vision.
Yeah.
Biddy was being
Yeah,
stupid.
okay.
Biddy was doing stupid vision. I understand what I was doing
Mm.
wrong. Hee hee.
Many such cases, twin.
What? I'm just gonna... How about this? How about this? Instead of making it like numbers that actually make sense, I'm just going to say like... It's gonna just be like render quality, and it's gonna be like... It will just be like a high, medium, low, like you had said. I was gonna do like a...
Like Balatro.
I was gonna do like a 1... And then... Or like a 100%, 75%, 50%. But then I'm like thinking about it, I'm like, never mind. They don't...
Yeah, nobody's gonna care.
They don't deserve that fine grain control, let's be real.
Yeah, this is true.
They don't deserve that shit. Nope. Too much thought. So let's fix that right up. High, medium, low.
A beautiful mark card. Who is peeing in my chat?
What?
Someone just said pee.
Oh. Who is peeing in my chat is insane. Guys, can we stop peeing in the chat, please?
I already had to make a no peeing rule in the server. Or
Did
rule.
you? What?
Yeah.
If you guys want Tempuricat games but without the no peeing rule, you can join the Bilitic Discord server. It's like the same thing. He hangs out there anyways.
It's like actually worse.
He hangs out there anyways, so who really cares if you join his
This
server?
is true though.
Okay, so when this gets selected, now I want to... Where is it?
You know what? I'm too lazy to make good art for this, so this is way too good for now. Nice later.
Damn, he's lazy.
Yep.
Insane. Fuck. You know what I mean?
So you be sleepy.
Real.
No, I'm drawing this on the wrong layer, aren't I? In such cases.
I guess you don't need to know about that, right? I just do this and then whoever else elsewhere can care about it, perhaps? Sure. Yeah, you can care about this.
Actually, doesn't look too bad.
Okay, maybe that works. I just went to a fugue state, and I don't know if the code that I wrote makes like any sense whatsoever, but I guess we'll hope so.
Yeah, I guess we'll hope so.
Looks like the answer is no. Probably not. Does this even get called? Oh, it does. Oh, this isn't being updated. I see. Do I have a debugger error that's relatable? Nope. Okay, that's just this thing that always happens, I guess. I don't know why this is a new thing that Godot's upset about, but it is. Scale. The enum type does not set an explicit value. Sure, dude. I'm so okay with that.
Also, Biddy, there's a weird thing where when you first start the game, it plays the focus sound. Or whatever hover sound. Whatever it's called.
Yeah.
Let me look at see if I can figure out.
I know why it's doing it. I just don't know what the best way to do it to stop it is. It's because whenever we go into the level, I'm having it grab focus on the first buttons whenever you're in like controller mode. Or so like whenever you're on controller, it can have access to that.
Yeah.
I've actually been thinking about that one a little bit because I'm like, what do we want to do if someone's playing on like keyboard and mouse and then they just all of a sudden swap to controller? Like, how do we tell which thing we need to focus on? Because currently we always have to have something we're focused on. But I think the answer for that is maybe a little bit more complicated than I want it to be right now.
Yeah. I'll just leave that for now. It's not a big deal. Okay, what else am I missing? I have a list of things that I wanted. Somewhere in here. Because tutorial press kit, those we aren't bothering with now. Improve UI and button feedback, who did that? Shell stickers apply new cards properly. Yeah, the op is weird with the like accuracy thing, but I think that's fine. I'd scratch when card is equipped. Do we do that yet?
Oh shit, okay, that works. JW, can you take a look? Low quality, fucked up crusty Dante. And then high quality non-crusty Dante. And then
beautiful.
Somewhat crusty Dante.
Yeah.
Just crusty enough Dante. Yay. Okay, I think that works. I think that's what we want.
I think at some point we can figure out a fix for to make it automatically detect.
Yeah, maybe. Mayhaps. Do you want to see just what is the difference in performance like whenever I use this? So
we have the new sticker selection animation thing.
Oh yeah, it's a little.
Added that. It needs some work, but
yeah, it's a little off
it
and
works.
funky wonky. So unlimited frames, I'm getting 360.
Okay, so you do have that
Oh, because I'm on render scale medium. I'm getting. Wow. Okay, yeah, I'm getting around 400 and something frames whenever I've got render scale set to medium, and if I change it to be high, it plummets to 220. Cool. I mean, that's fine. It's like what we want. I set this to full screen. I mean, like, looks fine, I think. It's like a fine enough game. Honestly, maybe this should just be the default. Like, it should just render at half quality. This is like actually insane, the difference in like GPU usage right now. Let me turn this back up to full quality.
What?
Can you look at your chat, please?
What? What am I looking at? What am I reading?
E-Rob? Is there a different E-Rob that isn't just
E-Rob?
Tyler 1's brother? Or is that the same E-Rob? Like, there's no way that's the same E-Rob, right? Please? That's him? No, dude. He's cutting a log with a plastic knife. They really don't know. The true genius really has always existed in the world. We just, you know, have always taken it for granted, I think. Okay, hey JW, can you look at my screen, please?
Yes, I'm looking at your screen, twin.
His idle animation's really funny right now.
Why is his forehead just bouncing up and down?
Oh my god, that's so funny. His movements are so imperceptibly small except for his forehead. Was it the op that looked really cool in this one? Yeah. I think also the bullet shells also just look like sick with this.
Yeah, they do.
Just in general. They're all like... I'm gonna add another mode, which is just like hella low just for funsies. Hella low is it's gonna be 8. I don't know if that's... I don't think that's gonna populate yet. I think I have to...
Okay, I fixed the thing where the scratch card would show up through the pierce sticker. I think what the issue was is I think it was technically hidden, but we were hiding it by setting the modulate to 0, which means I think whatever shader stuff you were doing was still like reading the texture, even though I don't know.
I see.
So it looked like it was invisible, but the shader still saw it and would display it.
Oh, what the fuck was that? What?
It's a cool looking background.
Did you see what happened before that?
Yeah, it went flying across. I don't know what happened there. Gonna do it again. Oh, kind of fire. That's a nice background though.
Yeah, it's a pretty cool background. What the fuck is going on?
The size 2D override is
Yeah, I can see that.
2
Yeah.
billion.
Yeah, I can see that. Don't worry, I'm there. I
That
see.
seems to be the issue.
Hmm. Hmm.
Oh, so here, Biddy, I think my changes, actually here, yeah, I'm just gonna remove the equip sounds so far because I don't have enough for all of them. I don't want to have like half of them done. It's gonna...
Wait. What?
I'm going to push up my changes because I believe that I have everything. Let me just run through it real quick to make sure I'm good. He's 8 hours into cutting the log. And he's
Greatest minds of our generation.
52 plastic knives. I mean, you gotta get there eventually. I guess.
Okay, it didn't go flying. Cool. That's all that I needed to see. Oh. It hasn't actually applied the render scale, though, I'm noticing. Is it because I'm not calling on settings updated whenever the game starts? I think so. Or I guess whenever the level loads. Oh shit. I didn't expect to be in this level. What the fuck? Why am I back here? What the fuck? Okay, let me set this bitch to like hella low render. Oh yeah. Look at that, dude.
Beautiful.
Yeah, maybe like a little bit higher than that. Like what's a good middle ground for that? Like 8 is too low. 6
Oh, Biddy.
still too low. That's good.
Your debug renders for the turrets are still there.
Oh, just
How do I
remove
kill
it.
that?
Just remove it. Go into the fucking like one of the turret scripts has a draw function. Just kill the draw function and an AQ redraw inside of it. I don't remember what file it is, but one of them has it.
Draw, here we go, die. Also, the menu cards were doing some weird stuff sometimes. When you clicked on them, they would like spin around really fast.
Weird.
I don't think I changed anything that made them do that, so I don't know what it is. But, you know, it's funny, so we'll keep it in.
I really like... I don't think that these normally look like this. Do these normally look like this? They don't. Something about
Do
this...
what normally look like what?
Do you see like this? How some of them like phase in and out of existence a few times? Like the particles?
Oh, yeah, that is weird.
That looks really fucking cool. I actually really like that.
Maybe a little bit.
It's because they're so small that they only render on some frames. Like, you can see it more there. Or here. Or even here.
If I just hide the enemy attack indicator, does that work?
You have to delete it.
On the... To delete it?
Yeah. Do you think Dante's 9 is
can't
playable
just
like
hide
this?
it. Yeah, I think it is.
Oh god. Oh god, this is like making me sick a little bit. Oh shit. Wait, this looks sick with the chromatic aberration, actually, whenever you take damage. That looks so cool.
Okay, well maybe we should boost that up a little bit so you can see it in the normal too. So that does look kind of sick. I forgot I even add that.
Wait, that looks so fucking cool, like on the door. Oh, there goes Dante. Wait, this looks so cool. What the fuck? Like, it
The
doesn't look...
platforms look so messed up.
Yeah. It doesn't look good, but... Oh, I love the dithering, actually, on the fucking see-through.
That is kind of sick.
I like that Dante's, like, got one eye now. He's like an evil pirate. Or some shit.
Yeah.
Can't even see the damage numbers. Can't even see shit. I guess that's something I should have actually also maybe thought about.
Oh, are those rendered in the world?
They are, yeah.
Those aren't technically UI.
Yeah.
So that might look weird on the photo.
It might.
Not really, since they're the pixel perfect sizing.
Yeah. Like, that's low. Hella low is the one that's, like, super, like, you shouldn't be actually playing on this. Honestly, I think that still might be too low. I might make, like, 6 or something instead of 8.
Like 6 or 7.
Yeah, 6 or 7 or... Yeah, you can't see what they say, but, like... You can play the game still. Yeah, those are also, like, hella placeholders, so you can just, like, kill them. It doesn't matter.
Yeah. One thing for you is to make sure that the speedrun timer is disabled by default. Because before, even if the setting was enabled, it would still show up. And that probably doesn't take very much work, as far as I know.
Maybe this is the way I play Dante's 9 now. Maybe this is, like, the dev intended way of playing the game.
Yeah.
It's playing it on render scale 6 or 1/6. Wait, how does the worm look? His shit is rendered in world, I think, right?
How many cards we have? These are all of the unique cards that we have in the game.
That's
right?
fucking sick, actually.
There's like so many.
Let me add back in the shop in the worm room real quick.
You still haven't used the spray bottle, have you?
No. Well, I think I used it whenever I was testing it, but... Oh, shit, dude, look at Nacho! It's Nacho!
Bro, I was tweaking out.
Let me set my render scale to, like... He, like, even looks fine on medium. The fucking E's doing a weird, kind of cool pulsating thing, I'll be honest.
Oh, yeah.
Nacho needs to be
kill
killed.
that, because that doesn't...
Nacho should also just be killed. Or, you know what, we could actually have him, and whenever you press E on him, he pops up a little thing that just says, like, sorry, dog, I'm actually not ready right now. Or some shit.
Nah, kill him.
Nah, kill him. Okay. Sorry, Nacho. Shop room test. Where you at, buddy? Nacho. Shopkeeper cat. Monk. Monk. No more Nacho. He's dead.
Wait, what does the laser pointer look like? On like hella
That's
low.
half scale. Yeah, I'll
Like, yeah.
Yeah, I'll do it. I'll move my way down. I'll move my way down. So here's low. This is 4th scale.
That's pixel perfect. Oh, it's kind of
And then
still use a little
hella
bit.
low is actually, it's still too low. It's supposed to be 6 and it hasn't updated because it's in a con.
Yeah, it's supposed to be like 6 or 7, you know?
Yeah,
look at
kind of
that
cool.
stuff.
What about Yarn Ball?
Yeah.
Ooh,
That looks kinda
that like that nice
weird,
like
but-
checkered pattern that shows up is cool.
Yeah.
This is how Dante's 9 was supposed to be played, by the way. This is like the
Yeah.
Oh, he's blinking. He's tired. He got tired. He closed his eyes. Oh, he's awake again. Oh, tired again. Oh, you can make him blink if you move your mouse left and right. You know what I could probably do, actually? Fatigue camera. What if I set this to 4 whenever we're on 4 render? Or I guess this is on 6, right? Or 7. Oh, wait, that actually takes care of so much of the wonkiness. What the fuck? JW, look.
What size is this?
This is 1/6. This is 1/6.
Why does it just like work?
It's because I changed the
I don't like
snapping to be every 6 pixels, because before it was every like 2.
Oh.
So it's
yeah.
like actually aligning with more of the. I mean, we can make it not like I can make it like 3, so it like. Or I can make it like, I don't know, like every half pixel. That way it's all like crunchy and whatever. Or I can make it back to the 2 that it was. Which is like fun, but like not particularly. That's an interesting
Oh,
one.
it's so nice to be able to open up the menu and you can just hover over all the cards and they make like cool noises.
What card's missing up there?
This just makes me happy. What?
What's the card that's missing? It starts with an A or a B. It's box. No, it's not box. It starts with an A or a B.
Box.
Op?
Yeah, it's probably box.
Op? Yeah, it's op.
Yeah, I forgot to add op. But look at all these cards. There's so many.
Yeah.
So cool.
Can you look at the turret, dude? Look at the turret. Look at that.
Oh, that's kind of sick.
I don't know, man. Maybe this is the art style that Dante's 9 was supposed to be in the entire time.
Maybe my next game will be pixel perfect.
Oh my god, dude, look at the bees. Look at the bees. What about brick? Yeah, I just need to make sure that whenever it's on, like, high, it doesn't, I don't want it to still snap like this. Ugh. This snapping hurts me a lot. Yeah. I actually need to...
Oh, there we go. That's so much thicker. I made it so that the mark, if enemy is already marked, so it picks whatever the enemy has the highest health, but if that enemy is already marked, it picks the next one.
Mm-hmm.
So if you say you had a mark with like 20 charges, you could mark like every enemy in the room.
I see, I see. Gross. It was like, I'm gonna do double damage to everything.
Yeah, it was actually 1.5, but
What the
that
hell?
was kind of OP.
How did you do that? That was a weird sound. What the fuck? Yeah, regular, by the way.
Also, I re-added the particles to the salmon. Because for some reason I didn't have them. They got killed.
Whoa. Okay, what does this do? Does this work? Like, just well? So, is this default? I think this is default. Yeah, this is default render scale of high. Everything's all smooth. If I go to render scale of medium, it's still, like, genuinely still really good. If I set it to low, I don't know if it's doing anything now. It makes me worried. I don't think it's doing anything. Okay, it's doing nothing. Well, I changed the wrong thing, didn't I? I did. Okay. It is doing something. I just changed the wrong setting because I noticed the particles disappeared. Oopsies.
Seeing what happens if I add just like a 15 to 20 of every single relic.
I'm kind of in love with this Dante sprite where he's just kind of pulsating his forehead whenever he's on low.
On fire.
I don't know why he's doing that. Well, I do, but like it's... and then if I set this to hella low... No.
Using the sword really fast looks really funny.
Or slicing and dicing, what the hell? What's the coolest effect we have in the game so far?
Coolest effect?
Like,
What do you mean, coolest effect?
like what's the coolest in-world effect that we have? I don't know what else to say. I'm gonna go fight the boss and see what he looks like on low render scale. Alright, prepare yourself. This boss arena looks insane whenever it's zoomed out.
Oh, Biddy.
What's up?
I have so many zoomies that it makes the animation speed so fast that you just don't see the animation shooting.
That's funny. Look at this worm, by the way.
Oh, I see you fixed box as well. That's good. I forgot that was broken.
Yeah.
I'm trying to use box. Oh, I also have like 30 double jumps. I forgot.
What does Salmon Storm look like on low quality? Fun. Very fun. Let me set... You know what? I'm gonna make you pissed actually for a second. You're having too much happiness about this. I'm gonna set this bitch to fucking bilinear filtering. Sorry.
Oh, here, that's a lot of cards.
There we go. Everything's blurry now.
I just walk in a room and everything just instantly dies because they get zapped by the plasma ball and then blow up 30 times. Oh, this game is so peak.
This game is so peak, dog. It's our game. We're working on it.
I forgot. I have
Wait.
23 cursed skulls, so I got hit by one thing and it knocked out half of my 20 health.
JW, can you do me a favor? Can you look at my screen?
Give me a second, I'm fighting the boss.
Okay.
Get him bees. They got him. Yeah, what am I looking at?
So this is linear texture filtering on the scaled texture.
Uh-huh.
And then this is nearest.
Mm-hmm.
What? Which one?
The linear is actually kind of cool with the low resolution.
Yeah, let me actually check this against like a medium render. So this is nearest. Yeah, linear kills this. This is terrible.
Yeah, try the other one, whatever, low.
Oh, the other low. I changed the wrong
It's
thing
the wrong
again.
one. That's so
Uh-uh.
weird.
Oh, whenever he turns, it looks real weird. Oh god. I still
What
absolutely...
did you do?
You see the plant too, right? Like directly to my right.
The plant? Is that a Balacho reference?
I love the way that plant's moving, like above the statue on the right.
It looks so weird.
It
Yeah.
looks so cool. Yeah, I'm gonna just change that back to linear, or to nearest. Like I love the way this thing fucking animates. It's so cool. But yeah, I changed it so now I'll actually show you the difference if you can take a look for a second. Whenever you get a minute. I don't know if you're in the
Why
middle
does
of
the
anything.
sword cost 0?
What?
Why does the sword cost 0? Is it because...
Did you...
Oh, I guess it's all cards cost 10% less, and I have 23 of those.
Yeah. That's true.
But why didn't it apply to any of the other ones?
It's applied whenever you draw them again. If you hit redeal cards, mayhaps.
It does, and something's messed up with that.
If you...
So if I turn off, let me just check to see. So this one says it should cost 70. Which it
Yeah, that
looked like
did.
it did. Something's messed up with this.
I don't remember how I'm doing it. I had to do some weird shit with it though. I think it has to recalculate
what
its mana
happened
cost.
is it worked when I used the slot machine. If I use the slot machine, this guy costs 0.
Hmm. Yeah. Interesting. Can you actually debug menu? Can you do scroll to restock cards? Is that a thing somewhere in there somewhere?
Stock cards?
No. Weird. Can you just hit redeal cards like a bunch of times, like 4 or 5 times? I don't know how many cards you have, but like.
Oh, that might have been too many.
Oh, okay, yeah. Oh, because there's a bunch of particles and shit that spawned.
Yeah.
Lol. Lol.
Oops, I went to video vision. There we go. We're back.
Okay, and then can you... Oh shit, dude, it is not happy with that one.
There we go.
Let's still have the high cost. Yeah, I'll take another look at that. Yeah, can you take a... So here's the... Here, I'll actually... Let me... This video quality. Okay, so on the low render scale, this is with the fixed camera. And then this is with the way the camera was before. So I don't know if you can see how shaky things are here.
Yeah,
I'm just
very shaky.
Yeah, I'm just snapping it to the amount of pixels that we're scaling it down by, which actually like helps this
really cool.
a lot. Like even with this, like the hella low. Well, why are you doing that? Don't be doing that. Don't do that to the floor. Stop that. Dante, bad Dante. Stop doing that. This should be set to 6, right? It is. Why are we not snapping to the 6th thing? Is it because Dante's not snapping to the 6th one? Let's find out. Actually, I thought that Dante's sprite did some sort of snapping, but I guess not. Weird. Oh, his animation's also really funny now. It looks like he's wagging his tail a little bit. It's kind of fun.
Okay, I don't think there's anything else that I need to change here.
There almost certainly is, but yeah.
There almost certainly is, but like for right now, it's probably fine, you know.
Wait.
So let me push up my changes so then you can fix the card thing and then... Or you can just not fix it, whatever you want to do.
I don't... Wait. Something's wrong here. This is on medium, but it looks like perfectly
Nope,
fine.
That looks like medium.
The only
No, it's 100% medium. Look at the particles. Look at the particles in the middle. And look at the plants. You can see it.
Look at the particles in the middle. The particles in the middle.
On the teleporter. The particles on the teleporter and the plants. That is 100% medium.
Yeah, okay.
You can very much see it.
Oh, I see. So those actually are like hella smooth.
Mhm.
But like in terms of like Dante, like
Yeah, it's not noticeable, but there is a difference.
yeah, like on Dante, this looks like as fine as default,
Yeah.
basically.
I'm pushing up my files.
I don't know, man. I feel like maybe this should be the default
Good
render
luck.
scale. Is this?
I mean, we can, yeah.
This like I mean like
'Cause
the
then it'll just
difference in
perform
performance
well by
is like
default.
hella. Like 400 frames versus
Yeah, if you want to keep it like, I mean, we can just literally just have it at medium by default. If people want to turn it up, they can.
yeah, I think that's the play. I'll do that actually. Video settings. So I'm just gonna default this to 1 instead of 0. Oh yeah, did you see the salmon storm whenever it was on the hella low?
Yeah, that's cool.
Oh god, his eyes are doing weird shit now.
Weird Dante.
Weird Dante. I'm having too much fun just playing around with this, honestly. They can wait. They've waited a month. They can wait another couple hours. Oh, yeah, I haven't even looked at the items that get spawned or anything. Boy kisser.
Pushed up, by the way.
Okay. Alright, then yeah, we'll probably hop off of here. I'll help out. We'll put together the update and then sorry, I wanted to check something again. If I turn on snapping whenever I'm on this mode, does it look better or worse? It looks better and worse. Dante's doing some weird shit that I don't know exactly what the purpose is. I don't know, that's weird. Weird. Okay, whatever. Alright, yeah, I think we'll call it there for today, though. And then we will finish putting together this build and then probably put it up on Steam for the playtest. Sound good?
Yeah.
I think that's...
Sounds good to me, twin.
Alright, twin. Alright, well, thank you guys for hanging out. We will be putting up an update on the playtest, and we'll send out an update on the server whenever that goes live. Probably tonight. Most likely, almost certainly tonight.
Yeah. We'll probably push it the update tonight. I'll probably be lazy and wait till tomorrow to write all the changes.
Yeah, and then we'll also probably
I
make
want to play Hytale.
Yeah, we're probably gonna put a couple of like small tweaks to the update that we're gonna put out anyways. So, all right, good night, people. Have a good one.